goats have a warning call against predators. For example, mother goats may snort on smelling or seeing a dog. When a kid is separated from its mother, the kid gives distress calls. These are high-pitched and prolonged cries. A lamb separated from its mother gives high, prolonged distress calls. When a ewe is separated from her lamb, she calls her characteristic baa. And when her lamb is returned, she shifts to a lower-pitched, gurgling note. The billy goat moans. Everyone has heard the crowing of a rooster, telling the world that he is cock of the walk. But many people do not know that chickens have many other vocalizations that have special meanings. As a broody hen walks along, she keeps clucking. When a mother hen discovers some grain or other food, she scratches and pecks at the food and calls her chicks with excited food calls. At nightfall, the mother hen finds and settles down in a good place where she wishes to spend the night and calls her chicks to come and be brooded, using a special roosting call that to our ear sounds like the purring of a contented cat.